Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is one of our Wing Chun fight training videos, combination of Wing Chun with some grappling, how to do an outside leg circle takedown. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Good?
Yep.
All right, guys, so outer leg circle throw. All right, so we circle to the outside. So the setup is exactly the same from the orthodox leg position. I'm going to circle inside and take the catch, right? You guys are good with that, right? It's called outside. Why me? Outside. So what I want to do from here is, remember, I need to frame. If I don't frame, he's going to clinch, push down. There's a lot of ways out of it. So my frame stops him from countering. Okay, so again, I'm going to take this, I'm going to work my catch, I'm going to frame first. After I frame, I'm going to move inside, I'm going to capture it. All right, so maybe we should do that in a second. So again, I got my catch, my frame, and my capture is here. All right, so now from here, outside circle, not inside. So as I circle, I'm going to be moving to his outside, pulling on his head, and at the same time, what I'm going to do is adjust this foot and use this to throw him over there. So we're going to take it one more time really slow. Same explanation. So going through your catch, right? We're going to catch, our frame, and then our capture. You guys, please be careful with this. If you weren't using this for ring savvy, as I'm doing this outside circle, if I plant this leg here, and I take this and I push it, you're going to break his knee. Are you guys okay with that? I don't want you, so that's it. So that's one reason. Now you want to do this, the way I learned is you want to do this like Kung Fu. So you want to do it easy. You don't want to work on brute force. So after I take my catch and I frame, once I capture, I want to do several things simultaneously. I want to pull, circle, and sweep all together. So this motion comes together in your sweep, okay? I'm tripping him over my foot. So one more time, please. I'm going to work in, catch, frame, capture, outside circle, and then my throw. You guys good? Just be careful with each other.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.